Hi, my name is Ovosuni Apenton, and this is my coolest project, SUA GHANA Fun Trivia. It's an educational interactive quiz game built to scratch, designed to help people, especially kids and teens, learn more about Ghana's culture, traditions, languages, and wisdom. In today's world of rapid technology, digitalization, social media, and foreign influence, many Ghanaians are slowly losing connection with our roots. Kids, teens, and even adults often know more about global trends than about our own heritage. That's why I created SUA Ghana to remind us of who we are and where we come from. My inspiration comes from the powerful Adinkra symbol, Sankɔfa, which means go back and fetch it. It teaches us that it is never wrong to reclaim what we have forgotten. Through this game, I want players to reconnect with our festivals, our stories, our games, and our traditions. In a way that's fun, digital, and modern. My goal is to merge culture with creativity and code. One challenge that I faced was that Scratch has limitations. It is not as top tier as industry standard apps such as Unity, Unreal, or Godot. But I didn't let that stop me. I hustled, experimented, and worked around the clock to bring my idea to life. As a self-taught graphic and creative designer, I use tools like Adobe Photoshop to boost my game's visuals and user experience. Another challenge was finding Asante tree fonts and using Ghanaian local text, but I simply conquered that problem by watching a simple YouTube video. And finally, to the biggest problem that I faced. My biggest problem that I faced was with time. I heard about the coolest project Ghana at a very late time. I heard about the project on 1st June, meaning I had 15 days to create and submit my project. With this limited time, I couldn't complete anything that I wanted to do in my game. If I had more time, I'll do even more to bring Ghanaian culture to the world. Firstly, I'll program Sankɔfa to detect incorrect Ghanaian local names. The incorrect Ghanaian local name that I'm talking about is the 14 official Kradin that we have in Asante Tree, which is the Kofi Amma Kwadwo Ya Ajwa. I will program SUA Ghana to be able to detect these names, and if you don't put in the right name, it's going to give you a hint. I would also improve the user interface and design to make it more engaging. Also, I want to convert the .sb3 scratch file into an Android app, which is .apk, so that SUA Ghana can be played on mobile phones, and it can also be uploaded on the Google Play Store. I would also like to introduce hints in the game so that users can have a limited number of hints when playing the game. Moreover, I would add a bonus quick mode where players will have a limited amount of time with a few questions to answer them. Most importantly, I'll add more questions and also add different languages. Languages like Fante, Ewe, Dagbani, Hausa, and more to reflect the fullness of Ghana's culture. SUA Ghana is more than a game. It's a cultural revolution built to its scratch, powered by pride, and designed to celebrate who we are as Ghanaians. Medase. And welcome. This is a quick demo on SUA Ghana and how it works. So first of all, I'm going to take you through the code that I created, that I used in the game. So I have all these codes here. These are blocks of code because they were made in Scratch. So let's start the game without further ado. So we're going to be greeted with this start screen, which is start help settings. So let's check out the settings tab. Settings, you can in the settings tab you can change the language from Tree to English. So when it's at Tree, your interface will be showed in Tree, and when it's at English to the start screen will be showed in English. You can also toggle and switch off the sound or on the sound. And here are the credits for the game. So, and when you click on quit, it's going to give you this screen. So without further ado, let's start, shall we? So it's going to ask you what your credit is, and after putting it in, you just hit enter or you click this check mark right here. So this is the interface. You have your calories, your name right there, and you can end the game at any time. So have fun and play it.